what if we had, okay, let's talk to this company here and say, all right, I want the scale model. We got our Earth and Moon. Now I need a scale of model of the sun to be accurate scale to what we have here. This is the Earth, all right? And then we're going to do the distance, which is the really fun part. And yes, I'm going to have you march out the distance. So anyway, let's get on back to the paper. Have your pen and write this down. Okay, so we have the scale here with the Earth and the Moon, and now the sun. The size of the sun. Okay, it's bigger than the Earth, right? Bigger than that. Well, how much bigger? It's 1,390, comma 000 kilometers wide. Okay, so what number is this? Looking at that, we got the hundreds here, thousands. That's 1,390,000 kilometers wide. Okay, and so what that would turn into at our scale then is 1 meter and 39 centimeters. That's 1.39 meters. I'll just write meter. Okay, so how big is that? 1.39 meters wide. All right, well, let's see. All right, so if you wanted to have a scale model 1,000,000,000 to 1, this sun, the ball would have to be 1.39 meters across. Now this is a meter, right? That's a meter. Right, so 1.39 would be 1 meter, but here, let's put it so you can see the zeros there. 39 more right there. So you'd have this much more than the whole meter, which would make it go out to about here. Okay, this is how big the sun would have to be. I can't even fit it in my video. Let's see if I can get it in there. Okay, so the sun would have to be this wide instead of this wide on the scale model in order to have it fit. Now you can see again why you wouldn't be able to do that on one of these models here. It wouldn't fit in the door. But here, let's see if we can do that. Maybe we can have a balloon that would be that big. And let's see how that would work out. Okay, I got my model Earth. Here it is, right there, 1 billionth scale. This is 12.7 millimeters across. This is the scale for how big the Earth is, 1 billion times bigger than this. Okay, so 12.7 millimeters. Now, how big do you think the sun would be in comparison to the Earth? If we were to have a scale model where the sun was proportionally the same size as the Earth, okay, I want you to shape with your hands, how big do you think it would be? Think it'd be like this big? Oh, that's bigger, that's a lot bigger. How about this? How about this? The answer is not just this wide, but this wide. You see what I'm saying? Here's the Earth, here's the sun to scale. Well, how can we make a scale model like that? Let's see if we can inflate this balloon to be that big. By the way, this is the first time I've ever tried this. Let's see how it works out. I happen to have an air nozzle here, and it's inflating. Okay, it's inflating. Okay, but how big do we have to get it? 133 centimeters. That's one of these and a third more. Okay, so here it goes. Inflating away. You can see why I'm not trying to inflate it by mouth. Okay, let's come back to this in a little while. What? You think this is big enough? What do you think? Compared to the Earth? Wait a second. Are you kidding me? That's only about 45 about 45 centimeters across. We gotta get way bigger than this. So let's just keep on going. Think this is big enough? Not yet. Looks like it's about 70 centimeters across. We're about halfway there. How about now? What do you think? Nope, this table is only 1 meter across. We gotta go 1 1/3 meters. Let's keep on going. How about now? You think this is big enough to be scale? Where here's the sun and here's the earth? Is that what you think? Nope, it's not big enough yet. We gotta keep on going. The sun is about 1 million times bigger than the earth. This is why you never see accurate scale models or anything, because it's like ridiculously bigger than the earth, which is why the earth goes around it instead of the other way around. So let's keep pumping it up and see what happens.